Hello future millionaire and welcome to our video. Are you dying to escape a toxic workplace? Waiting for a salary increase that just won't come? Still reeling from a recent layoff? Whatever's got you back on the job market, you're in good company. The market's tight, and many applicants report a shortage of openings that fit their needs. If you need help with job searching, you're not alone, and you should be proud of yourself for taking proactive steps to better your situation. You've probably already tapped into some of the resources available to job seekers, whether that's job boards, career coaches, or LinkedIn alerts. But that doesn't necessarily make the process easier. The thought of approaching employer booths at job fairs may make you cringe. You might be so overwhelmed trying to figure out which job boards to watch that you aren't following any. But if you want to overcome job search depression and bounce back from a job loss, keep pushing. The fact that you're here means you're determined, ready to learn, and interested in growing. Let's take a look at some job search tips to give you the edge you need to land a gig that's a good fit, without burning yourself out in the process. Leave your like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss other incredible tips like this one. 7 Job Hunting Tips. Here's the first thing you should know: there's no one best way to find a job. Different strategies work for different job seekers in different industries. What works wonders for you and your career might have zero impact on the next person. We know there's a lot of information out there about how to find a job, and we're about to lay more on you. Take it all in at your own pace and give yourself time to process what you think will help most. When you're ready to get back out there, these tips will work for just about anyone. 1. Don't be afraid to apply in person. If your heart's not set on applying to online jobs and you're open to hybrid or on-site, why not apply in person? Reach out to local companies to see if their recruiters can meet to answer questions or chat about the company over coffee. These are often the people who hold the power to get you that interview you're after. Landing on their radar is a smart way to make a good first impression and stand out to hiring managers. 2. Keep your resume updated. This one might be a no-brainer, but don't neglect your resume, even if you're unemployed. Add every relevant volunteer opportunity or certificate to help your resume stand out. If you feel your career gap's something to hide, think again. Most people have had a gap in their work experience. And if you address it honestly, potential employers may even see your career gap as a plus. That was the time you spent learning. Once you land that job, keep updating your resume as new experiences and achievements pop up. You'll thank yourself the next time you're ready to hit the job market. 3. Tailor your application to each job. Don't send the same boilerplate cover letter and resume to every job you apply for. You won't get away with it. Big companies use applicant tracking systems to sift through applications and weed out candidates who don't fit what the algorithm's looking for. Look closely at the job description and see what desired skills they list. Make sure you highlight the ones you share on your resume so you don't fall through the cracks. Adjusting the phrasing of these skills or accomplishments to match the job's requirements will help your application land on top. 4. Tidy up your social media. Like it or not, recruiters do look at social media. One Harris Poll survey even found that 71% of hiring managers consider social media an effective screening tool. Take a close look at what the public can see on your social media platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram. Are your profiles an accurate representation of who you are? More importantly, is your content appropriate, or would a recruiter balk at your posts? Making your profiles private might help you limit potential employers from seeing anything you don't want to share. 5. Hit up your network. Tap into your network to get yourself on the map. It's a great way to learn about new job openings, get valuable career advice, and widen your perspective on your industry. Your network is full of other industry professionals, so chat them up, and don't be too shy to say you're looking for a new job. If they know you're looking, someone in your network might pass along a job listing that matches your interests and skills. 6. Be yourself. You have a great personality, let it shine. Walk into every interview, including the virtual ones, ready to convey your authentic character. Hiring managers want to know who you are as a person, not just as an employee. Keep it professional, but don't be boring or passive. Remember to smile and be personable as you answer interview questions. You're not a robot, so don't act like one. 7. Practice self-care. Inhale, exhale. You might finish the day feeling exhausted, drained, or anxious. But your personal mental health and well-being should always be top priorities. Incorporating self-care into your routine will help recharge your batteries as you look for a new job. Consider taking a nice walk in nature, reading your favorite book, or listening to calming music, anything to help decompress after a busy day of job hunting. Thank you for watching this video until the end. Share this video with people who need this type of content. Don't forget to leave your like, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our tips on how to get rich in 2023.